Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So this session, you know, came earlier than usual today because we have an important news event happening by 1:30 p.m. Okay, less than 30 minutes. So we have the NFP news coming up. Okay, so let's just do a brief, explanation on the NFP before it happens. All right. So NFP means non-farm payroll. Okay, so it's a high impact news that happens on the first Friday of every month. Okay, so it's a report. Um, it's a key economy indicator. All right, in the United States. So it is published in the first day of every month by the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics. Right. So we are going to be trading it today. Once it's happening, like I said, it's happening in less than 30 minutes. That is 1:30. Okay, I think that is 27 minutes, 28 minutes from now. Right. So we are going to be on our chat, making analysis, and when it happens, guys, as usual, you already know. So this is not the first time we are trading news. Guys, go and get your account ready. Go and get your account ready. We've done this before, and we are still going to do it again. So every time we have a news event, we always make money from the news. Today is no different. We are going to kill any pair we are going to be trading. Okay. So right now, as you've all known, I love trading the XAUUSD. Okay, it's one of my favorite pairs. So that is why anytime I have a news event, I will have a news event coming around. I love trading it. It's very volatile. Okay, it gives sharp money. All right. So guys, please, if your fund is lower than $15, please go and make a top up. All right. You still have some minutes before the news starts. Okay. You still have up to like 27 minutes. So within that time, you must have fund your account. If you have less than $15, please go and top up your account. If you have $5, go and make a top up of $10. Okay. If you have nothing, honestly, you need you need deliverance. Go and fund the account. Let's trade the news together. Okay, it's very important. Trust me. Honestly, it's very important. Okay. Every forex trader is waiting, in anticipation for the news right now. So please, let's do the same thing. Okay, it's very important. Let's do the same thing. So we are here. We are forex traders. We want to trade the market together. Let's make money. So why do you trade, if not to make money? You trade because you want to make money. So let's make that money. All right, let's make that money. Let's make this money together, guys. Go and fund the account. If you haven't and please, if you want to fund the account, make sure you are doing it on this live stream, okay? So that you even be qualified to join my premium group. Okay? You can fund $10, you can fund $15. But let me just give you a quick explanation on the difference. So if you fund $10, you are going to be qualified to join my premium group for just 2 weeks. Okay? But if you are able to fund up to $15, then you'll be there for a month. Okay, so if you ask me, I think the $15 is much more better. Okay, $15 to be there for a month, or $10 to be there for 2 weeks. So if you fund $10 and you are there for 2 weeks, in the next 2 weeks you still need to fund another $10 for you to be there for another 2 weeks. So you see that is $20. But if you fund $15 on this live stream right now, then you'll be there for a month. All right. So guys, please, want to fund right now? Use the go to the chat room, click on that banner on top of the chat room. There's a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So please click on that banner, and then it will take you to where you can fund your account. Right. So after funding, let me know. Just tell me, Mr. Leo, I fund my account. Then I'll add you into the premium group. Okay. So guys, let's do this. Let's do this. So just a moment. I'll be. Uh, just a moment, guys. Guys, go and fund the account. Go and fund the on the account. Let's trade the market together. Okay. So right now I'm even seeing I'm getting an opportunity already. All right. Getting an opportunity already. Okay. So guys, do this. Fund the account. Let's do this together. So this is my analysis. As we've known, the market is on downtrend and it's been, trying to break this zone. Okay, we've been trying to break this zone for so long. So we are going to be placing a sell limit here. All right. Yes. So okay, guys. So we are doing this. Okay, we are doing this. I'm making the analysis already. We are going to be, anticipating when it happens. Okay. I just want to make sure that everything is, set. Okay, everything is ready before the news event. All right. Yeah, I don't want to start rushing things when it's happening. All right. So, guys, please, if you haven't fund the account, go and fund. Hey, I keep telling you guys this. It's very important, yeah? Go and fund the account. Let's make this money together. This money is there for us to make, you know. So let's make it. Okay? Money is there for us to make. Let's make it together. So, guys, um, Just bear with me for a little moment. I'm just trying to, set everything ready, um, so that we won't experience, um, you know, element of surprise. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean by element of surprise. Elements of surprise is, when you are expecting something and then another thing happens right in your face. That is not a good thing. So I want to make sure that everything is prepared, everything is set before the event happens. So I'm actually looking. I'm setting a sell limit right now. I want to give the sell limit to my premium members first. Don't worry, I'm going to communicate that here also. Don't get scared. Okay, I'm going to be doing it here also. So do not worry. But now, those in the premium group, I need to put them into consideration first because they appreciate what I'm doing. That is why they did everything I told them to do. So if you want to be part of the people that I will put into consideration first when I have anything, then come and join my premium group. All right. So all you have to do is just fund your account with at least $15. Right, 15 or $10. So if you have $10, you can fund. But let me warn you, if you fund $10 in the next 2 weeks, your $10 is going to get exhausted. Okay, so you are going to be taken out of the group. But if you fund up to $15, then it's going to be for a month. So look at the difference. That is why advising everybody. I'm advising everybody, make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you can be qualified to be in the group for at least a month. All right. So in a month you must have made enough capital um, to refund again. You understand? Because every month you need to be refunding for you to stay active in the group. All right. So guys, that is it. That's just it. That is just it. So guys, I want to set my own right now. I want to set my buy my sell limit. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm gonna give out the sell limit once I'm ready. Okay. But as I've said, I need to concentrate more on my premium members. They are the premium members. So if you want me to concentrate on you to come and join my premium membership, right? All you have to do is just fund the account with at least $10 or $15. And then you will be on top of my list. You will be on my VIP. Okay, every time I have anything coming, you'll be forced to know before anybody. The sweetness of getting to know getting a first-hand information before anybody. Yes. So that is how it's gonna be. So I'm still trying to set my sell limit, my take profit, my stop loss, so that when the news start happening, it doesn't catch me off guard. Guys, go and fund their account. News is coming. Less than 15 minutes now. Less than 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes to anticipate. Yeah. Go and fund the account. Let's do this. Go and fund your account. Let's do this together. Right? Okay. Go and fund your account, guys. You see, I keep repeating this every time. I want the best for you guys. That's why I'm repeating this every time. Nigeria is hard on everybody right now. So let's make this money together. You make money, I make money. It doesn't affect each other. You know. So let's set a sell limit, guys. XAUUSD sell limit. So this is a high impact news, and you want to be very careful with your your risk to reward. Okay, your risk. So guys, please, if you have up to $20 or if you have up to $15, please make sure you are using 0.1, and then you are opening just a position. Please, let me beg you in the name of God, do not open multiple positions. Okay? Don't liquidate your account. We have a big event coming around by 1:30. Okay? So the market will just start flowing to any direction it picks. So please, let's be careful. Let's be super careful. All right? Okay. Right. So less than 8 minutes to the news. Less than 9 minutes rather. Yeah, less than 10 minutes. Sorry. Okay. So now let's set a sell limit. Okay. XAUUSD sell limit. Not sell low. We are setting a sell limit. So when you click on sell, go to pending order. Okay. So enter this number on the pending order. 1826.50. 1826.50. And then our take profit level 1820.50. Okay. I hope you guys can see it. Stop loss 1829.50. So guys, that is it. Okay. Less than 7 minutes. News event less than 7 minutes. Okay. So whenever we have a news event coming around, the market is somehow slow, right? And the reason is because all the markets are going to be getting ready for the high impact. Okay, they are going to be getting ready for the high impact. So all markets, everything is getting ready right now. So my guess is this market is going to buy to this area and then it will start going down because we have this liquidity around this area. Uh, so let's just stay on this and see what happens. Okay, guys, brace yourself, brace yourself. In few moments, it's going to happen. So whatever analysis we make right now doesn't won't matter much. All right, that is why you see me not making any analysis right now. Okay, any analysis we make right now won't matter much. The reason is because if you make analysis, even if you say support or resistance is here, the market can just come because it's a high impact news. It can just go up and then take it out. All right. So most traders will actually wait for the news to go before they open any position. Okay, they wait for the news to happen before they open any position. But for us, we are anticipating the move. We are not scared. We are strong. So guys, as I said, if you have more balance, please on your account, stop, make it top up, or stay away from the market. Okay. To have a small balance, make it top up or stay away from the market. Make it top up, come and make good money. Okay. I advise you to make it top up then come and make good money. So go and fund the account. You still have up to 3 minutes to fund the account, guys. Fund the account with at least $10 or $15, right? Fund with at least $10. So if you want to be able to hold ground on the NFP, fund up to $15 on this live stream. Okay, just go to the chat room, click on that banner on the chat room. The banner at the top of the chat room where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner, fund the account, come and join us. Come and make sweet money with us. Right? 2 minutes to impact. Guys, brace yourself. It's gonna happen very soon. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Just a minute to impact. Not even up to a minute anymore. Few seconds to impact. Few seconds to impact, guys. Yes, it's happening. You see how far the market is going down? Okay. So my expectation was that this market was going to go up and then start to sell. Okay. But that didn't happen. Don't worry. Let's wait for another entry. Okay. An entry will be communicated. Okay. My guys on the VIP, we are killing GBP NZD. Okay. So guys, don't worry. I'm still calculating for entry. Okay. So I've already gotten the data. I've already gotten the data. I'm just waiting for a proper entry to communicate if you are going to buy or sell. All right. So you see, this is one of the things that happen when the news comes out. If USD is weak, yeah, we also have a news on the CAD here. Okay, that is why you are saying this. So let's just do the USD. When the USD is strong, the USD is going to buy. So take for example, if you want to know if the USD is strong, use a pair or an instrument where USD comes first. Okay. So if the USD is buying, then USD is stronger. Okay. So whenever the USD is stronger, the USD will buy. Okay, that is if the USD comes first. So let's assume we have something like this. Let me give you guys an example. So let's assume we have USD against any other pair. Okay, then we have USD. Sorry, we have any other pair against USD. So if USD is stronger, USD buys. Okay, but if it's weak, it's going to sell. So if USD is stronger, it's going to buy, and here it's going to sell, right? If USD comes first, and the data shows that the USD is stronger, the USD is going to buy, okay? And then if USD is strong and USD comes second, USD is going to sell. So it's just opposite if USD is weak. So if USD is weak, USD is going to sell here, and if USD is weak here, USD is going to buy, okay? So that is how it is. So let's go back to our USD and see if we can get an entry, okay? So let's see if we can ride this to the upside to get into our, entry level. But I want this to close above, okay? So I want this to close, so that I get if I'm to sell or continue, or if I'm to continue best selling or buy. Okay. So let's see if XAUSD is making a move. So I don't want to candle close, okay? I want a rejection. When I have a rejection around here, we are going to buy. So it's just 6 minutes to the closure of this candle. Let's just wait for it to close, okay? So I'll just be watching my time. We missed the entry there, but no hard feelings. It happens, right? It happens. Though he pay me, oh, he pay me, he pay me. Because this is money here, guys. Honestly, this is money, right? So this is a lot of money. Then this could have made us a lot of money, honestly. So I'm pained. Though I knew he was going to sell, but I was waiting for the right time to enter. I didn't know he was going to go that far down immediately. Okay, I thought he was coming back to take this out and then sell, right? But as I've said, no hard feelings. This shit happens sometimes, right? So the reason why I was targeting this area, I'm not targeting this area, is because of this gap here. Okay, but unfortunately, it took off from this gap. Okay, took off from this gap. See what happened. So immediately the market got into this gap. See, the market has been selling to the downside. Okay, and it sold all the way here. So yeah, I saw the gap, but I never thought the market was going to sell because the market will, most times come to the higher gap, right? And this is where the higher gap is. But unfortunately, the market didn't get there. The market deceived us. I think this is the first time I'm missing, a fast movement, a fast news movement. Okay, this is the first time. Hopefully, it will be the last time because I love trading this. Yeah, I love taking opportunities. I love trading the news. I love it when the news happens and I take it immediately. Okay, so when that high impact comes, we make the money together. All of us in the forex world. Okay, so most of my colleagues in the forex world right now already made their own money, and I wasn't able to. So it's very heartbroken. So guys, let's not dwell on our loss here. Okay, let's not dwell on the entry that we couldn't take. Let's just make other analysis and look for possible entries. Right? Wow. Even this sold. Okay. Okay. So we took. Okay, I took this trade. I think earlier this week. We have this. So let me delete this and see what is happening on the current market. So this market took liquidity from here. Wow. You see, sometimes the market will just give you an entry, and then after giving you, you just realize that it was a good entry. Why were you not paying attention? But the forex market is like that. You can't actually predict the exact movement. Okay, you can only make analysis and then speculate. Okay, you can only make analysis and then speculate, but you can't actually predict that exact thing that is going to happen. Right. So let's see if there's an entry for us here. Let's see if there's an entry for us. So it's respecting this. We have this also. Okay, I think it's respecting this. Let's go to the lower time frame to see um, what the market is actually respecting over there. Okay, so we have this, then this. Yes. Okay. So let's take a moment to go back to our XAUUSD to see if, oh God, this should have been back to our entry point. So, but guys, don't worry. I'm going to make sure that we get an entry before the end of our live session, because I don't want us to go handy. Okay. There was a news event and we anticipated it, but the market didn't get to our entry. All right. Okay. So let's just wait and see if we can get another possible entry before the end of our live session. All right. So we have liquidity, and this is okay. Okay. So this is the 1 hour time frame. All right. Let's go to the lower time frame to see if this entry is valid. All right. Okay. So I see somebody is asking me, please, what was the big impact we were waiting for earlier because some of us went for Jumat service? Please. Okay. 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 So we were waiting for the non-farm payroll. Okay. So it's an event that happens in the US. Okay, and it's been calculated in the first month, the first Friday of every month. All right. So it already happened. We had our sell limit ready, but the market didn't get triggered. Okay, so the market just go down. All right, went all the way down. Didn't get to our entry here. So this was where the market was before the news impact. Okay, and then it just starts rolling to the downside, but no hard feelings. So right now we are waiting to get another opportunity. Okay, we are looking for an opportunity to either continue this sale or buy. Um, the news has happened already. Okay. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and I don't want to take this entry because most of the time when we have this kind of candle, the market will come back to fill all this area before it goes to the downside. Okay. So I want to take this from a high point, a place where even if the market is going to go against us, we don't want to lose too much, as usual. All right. So if this market goes here, then we sell. All right. Wow. You see this? See what I said about USD when USD is strong and then USD is the base. Look at this example. We have USD CHF. See how the USD bought to the upside. This is how to trade the news. Okay. And here, okay, this is CAD. And here, new USD is the quote. That is why the USD came down. Okay, I think we took this market and the premium group last week, or maybe 3 days back. I don't know. So let's check back on the USD CAD. So USD is supposed to be selling here also, though it bought for some times, but the CAD also is kind of, so they are kind of dragging this between themselves. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay. So let's see if we can get an entry. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Oh boy. So the Canadian dollar was also, strong, and then it sold. It sold the GBP. Okay. All right. GBP AUD sold. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's go back to USDCAD. So we can actually sell now, but I don't want this to take too much from us, because if we are going to sell this, then our entry is going to be here. You see our stop loss and our take profit. Okay. This is the 1 hour time frame. Oh, wow. All right. I think we can actually do this. We have this entry. Okay, guys, let's just a moment. Okay. Okay, so guys, I don't want us to force trade, okay? Right? We shouldn't force trade. So even though we are not able to get set up now, let's just leave the market. The market is most of the market are on consolidation phase. Okay. So most of the markets are on consolidation phase, and the movement is not guaranteed. Right. So let's not. It's better for us to wait for a proper setup before we take an entry, instead of just jump into any market just because we want to make profits. Okay. So if we jump into any market right now and then we lose money, you know, that's going to be painful. Yeah. So let's just leave the market as it is. Our entry didn't get trigger. The market broke out, and then this doesn't seem like a retest because the market sold for too long. Okay. So even though this market is going to make a retest, it's definitely going to make a retest from around this area. Okay. So the opportunity that I can look for here is a buy opportunity, not a sell opportunity. So even though we don't get that entry that we thought of, it's all good, yeah. Every day no be Christmas. You understand? So sometimes you get the entry, sometimes you miss the entry. But don't worry, here's what I'm going to do. If I have any entry, I'm going to give it on the BtcDana general group. Okay? It's going to be posted there. So for now, guys, so let's check this one more time and see if we are able to get an entry. All right. Okay. Oh wow. So GBPCHF. Let's see what this is doing, and then let's see if we can buy this. Okay. Because this market is on uptrend. It's on buying area. GBPCHF. Okay. So let's go to the 15 minutes and wait for it. All right. So we'll come back to it. Okay. So guys, as I've said earlier, let's not frustrate. Okay. So we didn't get an entry. We were not able to get an entry. So the market is like that sometimes, right? But no hard feelings. No hard feelings. Right. So just because our entry didn't get triggered doesn't mean that we're not going to get another one next time. Right. So if I'm able to get an entry, I'll send it to the BtcDana free group, general group. Okay. So guys, we have another session coming up by 7 p.m. Okay. So please come along with your account. Let's anticipate it together. Okay. Let's trade together in the evening. So even though we were not able to get opportunity here this afternoon, the evening session, we're definitely going to get an opportunity. All right. So I'll see you guys in the evening. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye for now.